This video has already been uploaded on the YouTube but was not clear in sound. Therefore, I am putting on this video as again for the sake of the clearance of sound. Your host and your teacher Muhammad Ismail is present with the topic of the founder of Gramo and father of Gramo. Some day before, a question was raised in our school that who was the founder of Gramo. It came out of my mouth that Hazrat Ali Karimullah Wajh. After some time, one person told that the founder of Gramo is William Blake. I did my best research on this person. This person was not a grammarian. He was a poet, printer and printmaker of London from UK. This person belonged to the 17th and 18th century AD, such that Hazrat Ali Karimullah Wajh laid down the base of Gramo in 6th century AD. I also did my best on this topic thoroughly. The founder of the English Gramo is the Lindley Murray. Lindley Murray can also become founder of English Gramo, not become founder of Gramo, because he also dates back to the 17th and 18th century AD. In addition to these three personalities, three more additional other personalities came before me. These are Aristotle, Panini, and Standrath Tagore. Standrath Tagore is a poet of Bangladesh and founder of Sanskrit Gramo. Not founder of Gramo, he also relates to 19th and 18th century AD. The term of the Gramo has been used by Aristotle, only used on metaphysics. Metaphysics, not a grammar, nor scope of grammar, nor chapter of grammar, but it is only a branch of philosophy. And Gramo has a special scope for it that consists of noun, verb and letter, subject, object and verb. No work of Panini on this special scope has been found. Therefore, neither Panini nor Aristotle nor Standrath Tagore can become founder of Gramo. Only this credit reaches to the Hazrat Ali Karimullah Wajh. Now there are 4 questions. If you reply for these 4 questions, you will reach automatically to the founder of Gramo. First question is the what is Gramo? Second question, what is its scope? Third question, why has it come into being? Fourth question, why has come how has come it into being? If you will reply for these 4 questions, you will inshallah reach to the founder of Gramo. I shall try to reply again turn by turn for these 4 questions.